If your HVAC breaker keeps tripping, it's crucial to identify the cause and address it promptly. Common symptoms include repeated breaker trips, overheating, and reduced airflow. The issue may be due to an overloaded circuit, failed components, or other factors. As a homeowner, you can perform some safe checks, such as verifying thermostat settings and checking for blockages in vents and air filters. However, some repairs should only be done by a qualified technician, including handling refrigerant and working on live high-voltage circuits. A technician will inspect electrical connections, check refrigerant levels, and perform other diagnostic tests to determine the cause of the issue. The repair process may involve replacing faulty components, cleaning and adjusting system parts, and ensuring the system operates safely and efficiently. To prevent future issues, schedule annual maintenance with a qualified technician and follow a regular maintenance checklist. If you notice any emergency warning signs, such as a gas smell or carbon monoxide alarm, contact a technician immediately.